In this video tutorial, what we're going to learn is how to fix the Windows update issues if it gets stuck whenever the Windows update happens. So as a step 1, go to the start menu, open the start menu. Once you open the start menu, look for the gear like option, which is settings. You have to click on settings. This is going to be step 2. At the step 3, look for the option for an update and security. This is going to be step 3. Click on it. Once you click on update and security, in the left hand side you have to look for the option called as troubleshoot. Click on the troubleshoot. Once you click on the troubleshoot, on the right hand side you will have to locate an option called as additional troubleshooters. Click on it. Once you click additional troubleshooters, look for an option called as Windows update. This is going to be a step 6. Once I click Windows update, you can see there's one button which has got activated called Run the Troubleshooter. You have to click on the Run the Troubleshooter. Once you click the Run the Troubleshooter button, now Windows will start detecting the problems you had with the Windows update. Okay, it has its own set of routines and diagnostics test and verification to see if why the Windows update is getting stuck. If the problem is fixed, it will tell you the problem hasn't fixed. If not, it will give you an appropriate actions to be taken. So in this now, you see that the diagnosis is happening in the background. So there are checks and verifications done. Okay, now as you see, the troubleshooting couldn't find the problem. This is how we fix the Windows update issues if it gets stuck. If you find this video useful and helpful, do give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.